Good morning, sir. My name is Christian Lady Tulupia. My content is all about the race of news. The race of news is a complex topic spanning centuries and encompassing technological, social, and political transformation. There's no single race but rather a series of evolution. Early forms pre-15th century news spread slowly primarily through word of mouth, letters, and official announcement. Important events like battles or royal decrees were communicated through messenger or town crisis. Information was limited and often biased by the source. The printing press revolution 15th to 18th centuries, Johannes Gutenberg envisioned revolutionized news dissemination. Printed pamphlets and newspaper allowed to information to travel faster to travel faster and reach wider audience. However, access was still limited to literate population and censorship remained a significant factor this period. So the emergence of early forms and journalism, with publication catering to specific audience and political viewpoints. The 19th century and mass media, the Industrial Revolution further accelerated the growth of newspaper. Technological advancements and printing and transportation enable mass production and distribution. New agencies like Associated Press emerged, creating a more interconnected global news network. Sensationalism and investigative journalism also gained popularity. In 20th century and beyond, in the radio, television, and the internet, radio and television brought news into homes, creating a more immediate and visual experience. The rise of television, news actors, and established powerful media personalities who shape public opinion. The internet starting in the late 20th century has fundamentally altered the news landscape. Online news sources proliferated, offering diverse perspectives and immediate updates. However, this also led to change with misinformation and the spread of fake news. Social media platforms have become major news source, blurring the lines between traditional journalism and citizen reporting, while offering quick access to information and allowing for diverse voice is also present challenge in verifying information and combating the spread of misinformation and disinformation. This era highlights the need for media literacy and critical thinking skills to navigate the complex information environment. Technological advancements from the printing press to internet technology has continued expanded that rate speed of news dissemination. Number 2, increased literacy whether literacy allowed more people to access and engage with news source. The growth of urbanization and industrialization, larger population and more interconnected societies fill the demand of news. The development of professional journalism, the integration of journalistic intakes and standard aim to improve the credibility and objectivity of news reporting. Political and social change. Major events and social movements have always drive in demand of news and information. The rest of news is ongoing. The future likely involves further technological integration, potentially through artificial intelligence and virtual reality, as well as ongoing debates about media intakes, credibility, and the role of news in a democratic society. Thank you, sir.